In this video, I want to share with you something that really changed my life. Soon after being diagnosed, I came across a piece of research that shows that diets and lifestyle changes are more effective than medication in managing PCOS. This is what the researchers did. They took a group of women with PCOS and they divided them into 4 groups. There was a group that took Clomid only, and Clomid is a drug that's used to stimulate ovulation. There was a group that took Metformin. Metformin is an insulin sensitizing drug. And then there was a group that took a combination of Clomid and Metformin. And there was the last group that simply changed the way that they eat, and they increased their exercise. These are the results. The group that took Clomid only had a 12.5% success rate with pregnancy. The group that took Metformin had a 14.4% pregnancy rate. The group that took the combination of Clomid and Metformin had a 14.8% success rate. Now this is where it gets exciting. The women who ate a specific way and who changed their exercise routine and increased their exercise had a 20% pregnancy rate, which is huge. That is a hugely successful rate in comparison to those that just took medication. And I can hear you saying, I'm not trying to get pregnant. And that's absolutely fine. But the thing with the pregnancy is that it showed that women were ovulating. If women are ovulating, it shows that their hormones are in balance, their testosterone levels are not likely to be as high, their insulin levels are likely to be under control. So it's showing that their PCOS is being well managed if they're able to achieve ovulation. So that's really huge. And for me, it was such an eye-opener because it meant that I had a sense of control. The things that I put in my mouth, the things that I put in my body can help me manage my PCOS. And that's really why I developed PCOS diet support. And it's really the foundation of my PCOS management plan. Now I can hear you saying that you've been on diets and they just haven't worked. You haven't had any success with them. Maybe you've tried Slimming World or Weight Watchers or any other kind of generic diet plan. And here's the thing. Your diet needs to be really specific to manage your insulin levels so that you can manage your testosterone levels so that you can manage your PCOS. Now, as I said, I've based PCOS diet support on this information. And there is so much information on PCOSdietsupport.com that will give you more information about how you can go about managing your PCOS using food, the kinds of foods that you should be eating and those that you should be avoiding.